Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. Today's question is, how easy is it to start a drop shipping business? So let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back. Today's question is, how easy is it to start a drop shipping business? So maybe you're sort of new to drop shipping, maybe you're not too sure what particular products you want to drop ship, and you sort of want to find out how easy is it to start a drop shipping business. Well, the answer to that is, well, your experience. Have you ever sold anything online before? That's the first thing I would probably ask you. Okay, have you ever sold something online before? If you haven't, that's not the end all. There's still a lot of other things that you need to consider, but relatively, dropshipping is pretty darn easy. You just need to choose a great product. Okay, number one, great product. The second thing is you have to choose a good supplier. That's probably the single two biggest things that you're going to consider when starting a dropshipping business. All right, good product, good supplier. Now, you can't have a supplier in your dropshipping business that ships out 2.5, maybe 3 weeks from the order. So if your customer orders from you and it takes them 2.5 weeks to send a particular product out, then that ain't on, right? That won't work. You'll be out of business pretty darn fast, and the reviews off your business, off your products will be pretty darn bad. So what I'm saying, guys, is identify the product, identify the supplier, make sure that they're worthwhile, make sure that they actually are going to provide you with an awesome product, not a replica, not a copy, not a fake. There's not something that will break or something that's flimsy that will break within about 10 uses. All right, so just jump on that and get started that way, guys. So if you're new to dropshipping, probably stay away from technology as well. Like, don't do AirPods or or anything that involves any sort of technology, gadgets, electronics, that kind of stuff, unless you know the supplier is top notch. Because what you'll find is the quality might be lacking. Now that's, I'm saying, as long as you know that the supplier is good, then you might be okay. Okay, you probably will be okay. But if it's a new supplier, you've never dealt with them before, you've never sample test the drop shipped products, then what I'm saying is, don't particularly try electronics. Try something can't break. A good colleague of mine is importing clothing, kids clothing, right? Little teddy bears on it, little unique products, unique gifts. She's drop shipping that. She's doing all right at that, but she wouldn't ever venture into electronics, thanks to my advice. So, but yeah, electronics, a lot of things can go wrong, a lot of things can happen. So what I'm saying, guys, is stay away from it. But the answer to the original question is, it is relatively easy. Like I said, to start a dropshipping business, you just got to identify the good supplier and the good product. Have an awesome day, guys. See you later.